Welcome to Global Automatics and the Premier Swing Euro Easy Installation Guide. Remove the top cover. Then unbolt and remove all the components from the backplate. We now measure where the backplate is going to be fitted. Measure 30 mm across from the pivot point of the door. The Euro swing operator sits 38 mm up from the top of the door. We're now ready to fit the backplate. Mark the remaining holes. The backplate is now ready to fit above the door. Clip the end caps onto the operator. You can fit the control switch on either side. And now plug the switch into the board as shown. Put the arm into the slide channel and fit the end caps. As we need to set the unit up, we need to screw the arm up into the spindle, but do not lock the arm into position by tightening at this stage. Now we set the dip switches. These are the settings. First is push or pull. We're going to pull this door, so we will push the dip switch 1 down. Next is the optional low energy mode. We are going to run the operator as a low energy door, so we will flick this dip switch 2 to up. Next is holding force. The holding force is set to low for this installation. Next is auto lock. We haven't installed any locks to this unit, so that is also switched off. Next is assisted lock rebaited doors, which as we have only got a single door, this isn't used on this installation. We will now do a first run setup on the door. Power the door up. FA is shown on the panel. This stands for first activation. Hold the learn button for 3 seconds, then release the button. The spindle drives round 10 degrees. This is why we need to leave the arm unsecured. Now we will tighten the arm on the door, which pre-tensions the gearbox. We are going to carry out a learn cycle. Push the learn button one more time and the door will carry out a learn cycle by opening. We must physically stop the door at the point at which you want it to be fully open. This is remembered by the operator, so the door always opens to that position. 99 shown on the panel means the operator has closed the door. The Euro swing comes with a rocker switch with 3 operation modes: automatic, door open, or off. The door will calibrate on the first operation or each time that you adjust the opening speed. On the adjustment board we have open speed, closing speed, hold open time, key open time, lock delay, lock kick, and we also have power assisted opening. If you move any of the dials on here, for example the closing speed, you will see the display panel changes so you know exactly what it's set to. So here, hold open time is set to 5 seconds. And power assist, for this demonstration we'll turn it down to 0. Now the door can be used manually. And also we have a signal for the door to open automatically. For wiring for the control board, you'll see the cover on the gearbox has a wiring diagram for all accessories and inputs on the board. The accessories and input board has activation sensors, opening and closing safeties, lock inputs, clean contact relay for the lock, stop circuits, fire alarm inputs, and a 4-key input switch as wiring options. For wiring examples, please see our other videos which offer full wiring and functionality demonstrations. And now, simply install the cover, making sure not to trap any wires. For more information, please visit global-automatics.com.